Our bodies are three-dimensional and have a quite complex architecture. Yet research about our bodies, its development and diseases is usually based on two-dimensional models, which are not the same as the real thing. Because of that, it becomes more and more difficult to find new drugs, as some of them might show promising results in a simplified 2D model, but will fail in the animals or humans, wasting a lot of money and time. Meet Christina. Christina is a scientist, and for her research she grows cells in the lab. Let's see how it's done.
So we collect the cells, let's say from a patient, and we put them in a dish like this. We feed them with medium, which is this pink liquid, and it's food for the cells, and we keep them in an incubator that keeps the temperature at 37 degrees like the human body. But of course, this is only 2D and it's not so relevant, so we need to take it to another dimension.
As maker, I'm sure that you already know what a 3D printer is, like the one behind me, and this machine could solve one problem, going from 2 to 3 dimensions and creating tissues for scientific research. However, our bodies are not stiff and made of plastic like this standard 3D printing filament, they're a bit more soft like this. So how can we tackle this problem? Hi, my name is Jakub and I work at Allevi, a 3D bioprinting company, and that's one of our special machines. It can create complex three-dimensional shapes using special soft materials and live cells. So let's have a closer look at it. Unlike the traditional 3D printers, Allevi bioprinters can not only print with thermoplastics, but also soft hydrogels, special biomaterials that provide a nice and soft environment for cells to grow outside of the body and make them feel and behave like home. Instead of using filament and a motor to extrude hot plastic, Allevi's 3D bioprinters have a special print head that can accommodate a syringe filled with soft material. Compressed air pushes the material out of the nozzle, creating a complex 3D model. So with Christina's cells and soft biomaterials, now we can create really complex models of live tissue that can be used for research to find better answers for questions like what kind of drugs can kill cancer or how our body forms during development. And who knows, maybe in future this technology will even allow us to create spare body parts for replacement when something goes wrong, giving us real alternative for traditional transplantations.